What about if we, for example, start to control the inner layer as well and try to improve the aluminum oxide even more? So you get a plastic deformation of the coatings. So instead of having cracks in the coating, you get a very controlled deformation and a controlled wear. And this really improvement in performance. Sounds easy, right?
We needed to achieve increased deformation resistance without losing in toughness. But we had that figured out pretty early how to achieve that. The big challenge was to find a large-scale manufacturing process. The powder milling, spray drying, sintering. We need to have a consistent quality because the customer expects to have the same grade every time he or she buys an insert. But we have been able to solve that.
It's like a puzzle. You need the best thing from each technology so you can put it together and get the best product out in the market.
Before we launch it, we make what we call a field test and test it against our old grade, but also against competitors. In this process, this time, we saw huge improvements. It's the best on the market. I would say we succeeded again. And the customer can expect much higher performance, but also the same quality, the same performance each time. Now we have the big challenge. What do we need next time? But we're working on that.